Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. Hope you all are resonating with the readings and enjoying the readings which I'm posting. Do like the channel and subscribe the channel. Now, before we start, I feel today the color has to be orange. Maybe it is because of I feel because the sacral chakra is having a lot of issues, and it can also be that the reason being that work wise you are being having a lot of tension or a stress, be it your business or be it your work where you work in a company or in a corporate. Something related to work or business is troubling you, and your sacral chakra is also troubling you. That's the reason I felt that you should work on the orange color today. And today, if possible, go to any Hanuman temple. There they give you the Hanuman sindoor. Take that sindoor and apply it, and things will change for you. And those who cannot go to the Hanuman temple can, in YouTube put on the Hanuman Chalisa and hear that today, as and when they get time, for them to feel good and for the energies to change whatever they are facing. So let's see what is in the cards today. The first card which has come is Four of Swords. Maybe you are taking too much of work, and that is making you feel very drained, and because of the draining you end up not doing anything and just sitting back idly wondering what to do. That is one thing which I'm feeling when I'm seeing this card. Now the next card which I was wanting to take out, so let's see what is the next thing. Okay, you're also trying to make more money. Maybe your focus is so much on making money that you're not understanding that it is draining you and it is troubling you from inside, because of which you feel very restless sometimes, you feel very stressed out sometimes, which is not a good thing to do. Let's just pick one more card to see what are the cards saying. Okay, now that's a beautiful card. It says just go with the flow. I feel when this card is coming, it is saying go with the flow. Just keep going, or just keep working the way you're working. Whatever are the results that you are desiring, those results you will get. Today, overall, when I see these cards, I feel don't worry too much about money. Don't worry too much about work. Just take a deep breath and just relax, because the upcoming week or the upcoming days are going to bring in a beautiful transformational shift, and they are going to bring in the type of success or the type of positivity which you are looking at, which will make you feel good. So have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead.